Here's an update. We purchased a 1949 Cadillac Series 62 convertible, and it's about a half an hour from getting delivered and dropped off here. We haven't seen it at all yet. We know a couple things about it. It's got a modern LT engine in it, not the newest generation one, but a mid-90s LT1 engine in it. And it's supposed to run and drive pretty good. We will see.
Yeah.
Success. It's right here. It's on the trailer. Let's unload it.
How does it feel, Evan, to be a Cadillac owner?
Nice.
I thought so.
Real nice.
Actually, wait till you see it.
Well, yeah. Let's reserve judgment.
Okay.
So sick. My gosh. Huh? Dude, this is nuts. It's crazy. There's dust on it, so it's a little bit duller than it will be right now, but I can see there's not a whole lot of flaws or imperfections in the paint. Maybe it needs a cut and buff, and who knows, in the future, maybe a new paint job, but for right now, this is great driver quality car. Yo, Cadillac, the thing showed up and it's as advertised. It's in great shape. We had to throw a little bit of gas in it, plugged it into jump start because the spark was a little bit low. Battery maybe sat for a bit, but fired right up. We're basically about to go for its very first test drive. So I'm excited. I couldn't be happier with what it looks like so far. Time to give it a shakedown.